We finally can eat now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make two Chinese dishes that I have never made before. So it will be my first time to make it. I had those dishes before, but I have never made it myself. So today I'm going to try it out, and I hope it'll turn out okay. Let's get started.
Quiet on set.
It's my first time making eggplant.
Don't hit it, you'll bruise it.
It's a huge eggplant. That's a lot of eggplant. The pan is too small.
It is smelling good in here. How much longer till food is ready?
1 hour. This is the second dish.
You've already been in here for what, an hour or so?
Because I need to cook one, clean one, cook and clean, and cook and clean.
I get...
Yes, need some pepper.
Where you just chop, 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 and it's done. Chop, 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 fry, stir, chop, chop, chop.
Why are you looking at me?
Sweetie, let me show you something. Sweetie, let me show you something.
What are you doing?
I'm going to show you how to cut this stuff so it's a lot easier. Cut both ends off, slice the middle out, okay? Then cut it open. When you cut it open, you can slice it like that. Okay? When you finish cutting the entire strip, okay, you'll have them like that, right?
Yes.
Then you just do them like this. And then it's very small dice, much smaller than that.
Yeah, yes, you are right. Thank you. You are right. You are right.
It scares me.
What scares you?
Will I still love you if you cut off a finger?
I won't cut off a finger.
So go slower. You don't have to go super fast. Go slow.
You're hungry. I need to.
No, baby, I'm less hungry than I am worried. So go slow.
Yes, I'm go slow. I will use those later. Can you open it? Oh! Thank you. This smells super good. That's easy for you?
Yes, I'm a man.
Okay. We finally can eat now. Do you want to be in the camera or go ahead?
Aren't I always not on camera? Isn't that the way it always works?
Yeah, yes.
Is there sauce to go with it, or is this all there? Is this what we've got?
This is what we got. No sauce to go with it.
Can I go ahead and eat?
Yes, yes. It's very greasy.
Yes, I can feel the grease
Yes.
everywhere. It is flavorful. So how did you season the potatoes?
How I season? So I boil it first and I put starch over it and I fried it. This special sauce, Lagana chili sauce. It's very popular chili sauce. I think next time, if I don't want to make it super greasy, I don't need to fry the potato. I'll just stir fry it or boil it and then mix with
So it's a potato
yes,
covered in flour.
starch.
Okay, so it's a starchy potato covered in starch, fried. So it's a carb covered carb dipped in oil.
Yes,
Okay.
if you want to gain weight, this dish will.
Yeah, this dish will definitely do it. It not only puts fat on your belly, but it clogs your arteries too.
Yes, yes, it's not good to eat
It's a
it.
carb covered carb.
You don't have to do that part. Just fry it and add the chili sauce.
Okay, so the eggplant's pretty good too. Tell me about the eggplant.
Stir fry it and add the special sauce.
So I'm noticing something about the potatoes. You're serving it with rice. So not only do we have carb covered carbs, I can put some rice on top of it. And then I have carb covered carved rice. I have carbs cubed carbs.
Maybe I give you too much
And
rice.
you've got all your fingers.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
yes.
It tastes very good.
But very greasy and high calorie. The eggplant use so much oil.
We need to get sticky rice, sweetie.
We have sticky rice. We have it. I think because the chopstick is not easy. Do you want to use pink chopsticks?
No, I don't use pink chopsticks.
I think I like this more than the eggplant.
Some of the eggplant that has a lot of the juices in it, and a lot of the sauce on it, tastes pretty good.
Really? It's my first time to cook those dishes. It's my first time. I never made this before.
I think it's pretty good.
Do you remember last time we went to the Chinese restaurant and we ordered something similar to eggplant?
No.
The eggplant was soaked in the oil. It tastes super good, but it's super oily. Why are you looking at me?
I think you've actually got some oil on your nose.
Really?
Yeah, some of the cooking sauce.
How about now? I was going to cook 3 dishes, but I think those 2 dishes has enough calorie. A lot of oil. I like the potato chili.
It's essentially French fries.
Yes, French fries with different seasoning. Yes, yes, yes. I think Mom would want to eat it. Next time I will make something else.
Do you have any protein in here, or is it all carbs?
I put meat in this one. This is meat.
There's meat over here?
Yes,
I just remembered. Didn't you tell me you were making me some sort of meatballs?
yes, I was going to make the 3rd dish, but I think those have enough calories for tonight. I will make you meatball next time.
Okay.
Yes, it is like French fries.
No?
I think I just had a peanut.
You put peanuts in there?
It has peanuts in that sauce. The eggplant has more oil than the potato because I boiled the potato first, so it was already cooked, and then I fried it. You still have a lot of rice.
I know, I'm not going to eat any of it.
We don't have green vegetables, but we have green pepper and red pepper.
Yeah, but there's not that many of those in there, are there? Well, everybody likes carbs.
Everybody likes fried potatoes. Next time we can have a meal.
Do you have any more
Only
eggplant left?
vegetables.
Is this all the eggplant that you cook
I have more over there. I think we don't need to eat it. That's too much.
for breakfast?
For breakfast.
Okay. I think it'll taste good with some fried eggs.
Yes, yes, yes.
Here. Thank you.
You eat faster than me. I have a lot of cleaning need to do.